Hello darlings, for today's video I'll be creating a look with the new Ambiance collection by Sigma Beauty. The Ambiance collection includes a glittery makeup bag, the Ambiance eyeshadow palette, Glow Kissed highlight palette, Radiant Glow brush set, and 2 lip glosses. You can get the entire collection for $186 and get 10% off with discount code TheTaylorCherie. I'll talk more about each product later, but for now, let's get into the makeup. First, I'm filling in my brows with the Sigma Beauty Brow Pomade in the shade Medium Brown, and I'm just following the natural shape of my brows. Then, I'm cleaning up the lower edge of the brow and tapping the Plouise base all over my eyelids to prime them. I'm also setting my brows in place with the Sigma Clear Brow Gel. Now let's get into the Ambiance collection. First, we're using the Ambiance eyeshadow palette. This retails for $49 and includes 14 shades in a dual-ended brush. I'm picking up the matte neutral papaya shade called Daylily and applying this to my crease with the E38 brush that comes on the dual-ended brush with the palette. Next, I'm using the E35 brush from the Radiant Glow brush set to apply the shade called Summer Solstice. This is a matte burnt orange shade and I'm placing this in my crease, keeping it lower than the previous shade. These shadows are buttery smooth and require little to no effort to blend. After that, I'm cutting my crease with the Plouise base to create a half-cut crease. Next up, I'm grabbing the shimmer shade called Marigold and packing that onto my lid with the Radiant Glow E55 brush. This one was really calling my name because it has gold glitter in it and it's just so beautiful, especially in the sunlight. Now I'm dipping into the warm hickory matte shade called Sunspot and stamping this right against my lash line. I'm also adding just a little bit of that to the outer V of the eye. Overall, I'm really happy with the palette and definitely recommend picking it up. It's one of the best neutral palettes I've ever used. The color story is great for everyday wear, and the effortless application is unbeatable. Moving on, I'm priming my face with the Makeup Revolution Fix and Glow Ultra Glow Primer, and then I'm pressing in the Pore Perfecting Primer to minimize the appearance of pores. I'm using the Sigma F80 Flat Kabuki brush from the Radiant Glow brush set to apply my foundation. The brush set has a 2-year warranty and the handles are so gorgeous and sparkly. Next, I'm applying the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Infinite Concealer in C1 and setting that in place with the Hourglass Veil Setting Powder. To contour, I'm using the Staycation Vibes Bronzer in Backyard Bronze by Buxom Cosmetics. I'm applying this to the hollows of my cheeks, along my hairline, jawline, and along the sides of the bridge of my nose. Next up, we're using the Sigma F53 Airbrush from the Radiant Glow brush set and applying the shade Senorita from the cor-de-rosa blush palette. Now it's time for highlight. The Glow Kissed highlight palette is a new favorite of mine. It retails for $49 and features 6 gorgeous metallic highlighters with buttery soft formulas. I could see myself wearing every single shade, but for now I'm dusting on the light gold metallic shade called Flare with the F35 brush. After setting everything in place with the Makeup Revolution Hyaluronic Fix Setting Spray, I'm finishing up the eyes by applying the Summer Solstice and Daylily shades from the Ambiance eyeshadow palette to the lower lash line. For lashes, I'm first curling my lashes, Then I'm applying the Buxom Blackest Black Mascara and popping on the Salon Perfect Wing Lashes in the style 691. I'm also tightlining with the Sigma Beauty Longwear Eyeliner Pencil to help those lashes blend in better. Finally, for lips, I'm first lining my lips with the Buxom Full-On Plumping Lip Liner in Incognito. Then I'm applying the lip gloss in the shade Idyllic, which is a tawny copper shimmer shade from the collection. And that completes this look. Let me know your thoughts about the new Sigma Beauty Ambiance collection in the comments below, and don't forget to use my discount code TheTaylorSheree for 10% off your purchase at sigmabeauty.com. See you next time!